Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn the 3 essential conditions that must be met for a square root to be considered fully simplified. Now, the first one is no perfect squares can be left underneath the square root sign. So for example, if we have the square root of 128, you should be looking at as the square root of 64 times the square root of 2, because 128 is like 64 times 2, and the square root of 64 is 8. So we can just say 8 radical 2. Now, another rule that must be met is that there are no fractions underneath one radical sign. For example, if we have the square root of 6/25, well, we should rewrite that as the square root of 6 over the square root of 25, because the square root of 25 is a perfect square. So now it's just the square root of 6 over 5. And the last rule is that you cannot leave a radical sign in the denominator, no matter what. So if we had, say, 10 over the square root of 6, we have to do what's called rationalizing, in which we take the bottom number, the denominator, and we multiply the whole fraction by radical 6 over radical 6. If we had radical 5 under here, then we would multiply by radical 5 over radical 5. So here we say times root 6 over root 6, which gives us 10 root 6 over 6. And this is considered a rationalized number with a square root. This is as simplified as it can get. Actually, we can simplify this and we can call it 5 root 6 over 3. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned the 3 essential conditions in order for a square root to be simplified. First, no perfect squares left under a radical. Second, you cannot have a full fraction under one square root sign, you have to have 2. And third, you have to rationalize a square root in the denominator. Thanks a lot.